Hi there, students. Where did Fred Flintstone and his wife Wilma and his mate Barney Rubble, where did they live? What was the name of the town they lived in? Bedrock. Bedrock. And that's the basis of this video, bedrock. Bedrock is the solid rock that exists normally below the ground surface. Bedrock is rock that is in place. It's not something that's been transported from another location. This is the bedrock, the rock that is the base of something, of the ground that you stand on. So very often, for example, a little island or rocks that you see in the sea, these are made of bedrock. That's bedrock. So a geological word, and it's uncountable, I think. But we very often use this word bedrock figuratively. So bedrock, the basis for something, the foundation for something. So a bit of grammar is good bedrock for learning a language. Okay, so the bedrock. I think maybe socializing is the bedrock of our society. Culture is the bedrock of a society. So if you're learning mathematics, to add and subtract, to multiply and divide, this is the bedrock of mathematics. You then go further. So the very basis, ownership and keeping the fruits of your labour, is perhaps the bedrock of a capitalist society. Okay, so bedrock. I've also actually seen bedrock used to mean its lowest point. So the interest rates were at bedrock. They were 0%. Okay, but most normally the bedrock, the basis for something, the fundamental base of something, an issue which is of fundamental importance. When it comes to voting, the health of the economy is always a bedrock issue. Okay, so it's something that is bedrock. We need to get down to bedrock, to the basics. Let's just get down to the bedrock so that everybody understands what's happening. The basis of something. So what is the bedrock of the British economy? I'm not sure nowadays. I think probably banking and finance is the bedrock of British society. The main principle on which something is based. The family might be called the bedrock of society. So the bedrock, the principles and ideas on which something is based. Local government is one of the bedrocks of our democracy. Justice for all, and everybody is accountable to justice, is part of the bedrock of a free society. The fundamental principles on what something is based. Honesty is the bedrock of a good relationship. Bedrock, the basic rock at the bottom. So the bedrock has been eroded. It's been worn down. So the fundamental basics, bedrock values, a bedrock constituency, the bedrock of society, the principal ideas, the facts on which something is based, mutual trust. Mutual trust is the bedrock of a relationship. Working together and solidarity is the bedrock of the trade union movement. And then the bedrock, the solid ground which supports the soil above it. I dug down to bedrock, to the basic bedrock underneath, but the basic principles, the basic facts, the base, the foundation, the substructure, the bit below. So facts are the bedrock of any justice system. Okay, so the basis, the bit at the bottom. I think formality, I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. And this is the rock that is the bed, the bottom. So, bedrock.